Hello, hello. What are today's messages? Let's start with our cards today. I am brave. Be needy. Ugh, you're so needy. Well, yeah, it's the most normal thing in the world to have needs. Plants are needy, cars are needy, spiders and other bugs I don't want to think about are needy. Your needs do not make you too much. Your needs do not make you a burden. Your needs make you real. Don't hide them or deny them. Tend to them. Be as needy as you need to be. That's good to hear. Find clues to help you get nearer to your dreams. Remember, the best clues are often disguised. What clues can you find today? Number 12. My mind is clear as a still lake. 30. Comfort food. Smell, taste, savor each bite. Comfort foods are calming and satisfying. It is pizza, ice cream, chicken soup, or pasta. Indulge. It's okay for one day. What will it be? All right, which item or which envelope has our quotes today? Let's do the B. We can't heal from an exhausted place. We need to be rested. You'll find a way. You always do. Keep going. Put the excuses away. They are not in alignment with you. Before engaging in gossip about somebody's life, remember that there are chapters of your life you don't want to read aloud either. Don't go places if your intuition, heart, and stomach tell you otherwise. Learn to identify your body's signals and trust them. And the last one today. If you love what you are doing, then you'll be successful. All right. Thanks for stopping by. Adios, amigos.